Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. So Luna Classic is slowly, very slowly recovering back to the upside. Jasmine is actually doing a pretty amazing job. I kind of wanted to take Jasmine trade, but I didn't. I'm actually into Luna Classic, but that's okay. I think Luna Classic in some few days may start to do something huge. So we've already broken above this, support and resistance and whatnot. So there was a maximum time until 10 of May. Today's 5 of May now, and you've actually made a very big statement that you've broken above. Now, we may see or can expect a little bit of a retracement down to 9927 and then start to pump to the upside. That's one aspect of looking at it. Now, the second thing is that we can expect to say that this can be your first bottom and a second bottom, almost like an Adam and Eve double bottom right there. So if you end up breaking above some resistance, which is going to be up somewhere here, we are going to see probably a price appreciation from the top to bottom, and we could be looking at 1433 in the near future, and that's where you have another resistance. And if you break above that resistance, then maybe but I think the fact that you broke above this area, you're actually meant to go back up to where you came from, which is 23018, and I think from here that's actually going to be even 114% move to the upside. But slowly through the journey, I think if you go step by step, then this is your first break to the upside. You come up here, you break above here, you continue all the way back up to 22173. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.